Hi guys, it's Mary Beth with My Fearless Kitchen. I'm out here with my friend Beau again, but I've learned a thing or two since the last time he was in a video with me. I am on the outside of the stall and he is on the inside of the stall, so he won't be getting away on me this time. Ground beef is a huge staple in our house. We eat it all the time. And I've had a lot of questions from you guys about how to buy it at the grocery store, what to look for, what labels are important. So I've put together a horse nose and the ultimate ground beef buyer's guide. It's got everything you need to know, how to read those labels, what the different fat percents mean, and depending on your recipe, what type of ground beef you might want to buy. I've also got some tips on my favorite way to cook ground beef, which is actually in your slow cooker, so check that out. And then finally, I've got a list of 79 amazing ground beef recipes to try. Those are both from here at My Fearless Kitchen and from some of my very good friends around the internet. So thanks so much for joining us. Check out those posts. I think you'll really like them. And I'll see you soon. Have a great day.